P can do 2/3 of the work in 30 days. Means 2 parts, 30 days. 1 part, 15 days. 3 parts, 45. P alone 45 days. And PQR together can complete the half of the work in how many days? 5 days. Half work 5 days means full work 10 days. What is the LCM of 45 and 10? 90. 45 2 times 10 9 times. Already we know P efficiency 2 parts. P efficiency 2 parts. Q efficiency 5 parts. 2 plus 5 7. Obviously R will be 2 parts. Sir. PQR is how much? 9. In that P and Q 7. R will be 2 parts. Sir. We know the P and Q efficiency or not? What is the ratio? 2:5. If P are 2 parts means Q are 5 parts. 2 plus 5 7 complete. What is the remaining? 2 parts. That is R efficiency or not? What is the question here? If they got the total wages how many rupees? 7,200. What is the wage of R? Total how many rupees? 7,200. It is distributed for 9 parts or not? We required how many parts? 2 parts or not? 9 how many times? 8 times. 8 to the 1600. Next question number 2. Find the 6-digit smallest number which when divided by 32, 48, 56 and 112 but remainder 17 in each case. Sir. All the options are including remainder or without remainder. Including. First option remainder or subtracting. What is the remaining value? 17 subtracting or not? What is the remaining value? Last 3 digits 128 because all the options first 3 digits are same or not? Next second option 17 subtracting. What is the remaining? 138. Out of 165 17 subtracting. What is the remaining? 148. Out of 175 17 subtracting. What is the remaining? 158. All the cases we are take the last 3 digits. 32. It is which one multiple? 48, 56, 112, 8 multiples. Individual values are 8 multiple means answer also 8 multiples. But all the options without remainders are not. What are the without remainders? 128, 138, 148, 158. Verify the last 3 digits are not. 128 is exactly divisible by 8. Yes. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth option? No. Then answer first option. Next question number 3. Merchant has marked the price of a table 600 more than the which one? Cost price of the table. If the merchant offers a discount of 62/3% on the marked price of the table. 62/3% means what is the fraction? 1/15. Out of 15 parts, how many parts are discounted? 1 part. What is the remaining? 14/15 of market price or not? That is selling price or cost price? Selling price. After discount means selling price or not? Next, the table while the merchant gets a profit of how much? 5%. 5% profit means 105/100 or not? Means it is 21/20 or not? 21/20 of cost price or selling price? Cost price. Or 5% means what is the fraction? 1/20. Out of 20 parts, 1 part or profit means selling price is 21/20 or not? Both selling prices are equal or different? Equal. 7 2s are 7 3s are 5 3s are 5 4s are. Then market price by cost price equal to which ratio? 9/8 or not? How many parts are more? 1 part. What is the 1 part value? 600. But we required cost price or not? How many parts we need? 8 parts. Then answer 8 into 600. 4,800. Next question number 4. In the figure ABCD, ABCD and EF are 3 lines congruent at O. Find the value of x. If it is 6x means opposite also 6x. In a straight line, these three angles sum is how much? 180 or not? Already 3x, 3x and 6x. Total it is 12x or not? 12x equal to how much? 180. Then x value 15 or not? If it is 6x, opposite also 6x or not? In straight line, only this angle is how much? 180 or not? Total it is 12x. 12x equal to 180. What is the x value? 15. Our center, total center is how many degrees? 360 degrees. But value wise 24x equal to how much? 360. 24 15 times or not? Next question number 5. Ram Sham together can complete a work in how many days? 24. Sham and Varun together can complete the work in 120 by 7 days. Ram Varun can complete the work in 40 by 3 days. In how many days Ram alone can do the whole work or not? Okay. First, we required Ram or not? First we are adding the Ram included values or not? Ram and Sham and Ram and Varun. For the Ram and Sham, total time 24 days. 1 day work 1 by 24. Ram and Varun together complete the work 40 by 3 days. 1 day work 3 by 40 or not? These two are adding. In this one, Varun and Sham together can complete the work 120 by 7 days. It is subtracting or adding? Subtracting. Total work is 120 by 7 days. What is the 1 day work? 7 by 120 or not? Okay. First one, Ram plus Sam. Second one, Ram and Varun. Third one, Sham and Varun. Subtracting, we are get the which one? 2 times of Ram value or not? 2 times of Ram or not? That is 2 times of Ram value. But we required only Ram value or not? Then right hand side value divide by 2 or multiplied by 2? Divide by 2. First, what is the LCM of denominators? 120. 24 5 times. 40 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 5 14. 14 minus 7 7 or not? That is equal to 2r equal to 7 by 120. Then r equal to 7 by 240 or not? That is 1 day work of Ram. But we required total work is completed in how many days means efficiency and time inversely proportional. Then answer 240 by 7 days or not? 240 by 7 end with 0. It is 34 2 by 7 or not? Because less than 35 times or not? Next question number 6. First one. First priority is 7.2 multiplied by 5.69 bar plus 4.3. Okay. 5.69 bar means it is almost 5.7. 5.7 plus 4.3 10. 10 into which one? 7.2 means this value we are getting how much? 72 plus 72 into 8.3 bar or not? That is written as 8 3 by 9 or not? Minus 2.7 bar, that is written 2 7 by 9 or not? Okay. Overall bracket into 1 by 118 or not? Yes or no? 8 3 by 9 means 8 9s are how much? 72 plus 3 75 by 9. Second one 9 2s are 18 plus 7 25 25 by 9. 75 by 9 minus 25 by 9 difference 50 by 9. 9 how many times? 72. 8 times or not? Okay. Wait 1 by 1 1 8. Which one are common? Numerator 72 common or 72 common. What is the remaining value in first term? 1 plus 72 into 72 already common or not? What is the remaining? 50 by 9 or not? 50 by 9. 1 plus 50 by 9 means 59 by 9 or not? 59 how many times? 118. 2 times or not? 9 how many times 72? 8 times or not? What is the answer? 4 or not? No confusion. 72 by 118 into 59 by 9 or not? 59 how many times? 2 times. 2 9s are 18. 18 how many times? 4 or not? ఇంకా ఎవరికన్నా క్లారిటీ కావాలంటే మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి రిపీట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. వాట్ ద లాస్ట్ టర్మ్? 72 into 8.3 bar, that is written 83 by 9 minus 2.7 bar, 27 by 9, 83 by 9, 75 by 9, 27 by 9, 25 by 9, difference is 50 by 9. 9 how many times? 72. 8 times. 8 into 50, total it is 400. Means this value you are getting how much? 400. Already this one we are getting 72, then total it is 472 divided by 112, how many times? 4 times. Director. Next question number 7. Each side of a cube is increased by how much? 60%. What percent of its surface area increased? Surface area of a cube, what is the formula? 6a square. 6a square means 6 will be constant. A square means it is side into side. How many measurements? 2 measurements. Then we are apply a plus b plus ab by 100. What is the a value? 60. B value also 60. 60 plus 60, 120. 60 into 60, 360. By 100 means 36. 120 plus 36, 156. Successive increased person or decreased person? Increased person. 100, 160. Out of 160, 60% increased. What is the 60% of 160? 96. 160 plus 96, 256. Original area 100%, final area 256. How much percent are increased? 156%. Either formula or successive increased concept. 8th one. Find the value of x. If 1 by 1 plus 1 by so on, it is equal to 9 by 17. What is the answer? 1 by 7. Because we are not get the negative value. Second option not possible, fourth option not possible. 3 by 7 means 1 plus 3 by 7. 1 plus 3 by 7 means it is 10 by 7. But every case remainder we are getting 1. Means possibility first option or third option? First option. Or verify. 1 by reverse. Left hand side 1 by something or not? Means that value we return 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by x equal to how much? 17 by 9. 9 by 17 or 17 by 9? 9 by 17. 1 by something. 1 by something means reverse. It will become how much? 17 by 9. Left hand side 1, it will become right hand side minus 1. 17 by 9 minus 1. 8 by 9. That is equal to 8 by 9. 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by x. Yes or no? Again it will be reversed. Then we are getting 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by x. It is equal to how much? 9 by 8. 9 by 8 means we return 1 plus 1 by 8. 1 plus 1 by 8 means this again 1 plus 1 by x. It is equal to 8. 8 by 1 and 9 by 8. What is the difference? 1 by 8. 1 by 1 plus 1 by x. It is equal to how much? 1 by 8. This one 1 plus 1 by x equal to how much? 8. Then 1 by x equal to 7. X equal to 1 by 7. Clear? Next question number 9. If the time taken by the boat to cover the certain distance in downstream in 27 hours less than the time taken by the same boat cover the same distance in upstream, if the ratio of the speed of the boat in still water to the stream is 5:3, then find the distance covered by the boat in downstream or here downstream time compared to upstream time, how many hours are lesser? 27 hours lesser. But both are covered equal distance or different distance? Equal distance. What is the downstream speed? M plus S. What is the upstream speed? M minus S. Downstream time compared to upstream time, how many hours are less? 27 hours less. Suppose upstream time I return T hours, then downstream time T minus 27 hours. Okay, left hand side speed into time, right hand side also speed into time. Equal distance or different distance? Equal distance. And one more, M is how many parts? 5 parts. S is 3 parts. Then left hand side 8 parts into T minus 27 hours. Right hand side 5 minus 3 hours. How many parts? 2 parts into T hours. Parts get cancelled. Yes or no? 8 into T minus 8 into 27 or just 1 minute. 2 ones are 2 how many times? 4 times. 4T minus 108 equal to how much value? T or then 3T equal to how much? 108. Then T equal to 36 hours or T value 36 hours. T value 36 hours. If it is 36, here how much? 9 hours are. Okay. In place of T minus 27, we are substitute 9. In place of T, we are substitute 36. We are not get the one part value. Means speeds are getting or not getting? Not getting or speeds are not getting means distance also not getting or an answer cannot be determined. Because both sides parts get cancelled. If written time values, obviously parts are cancelled or not cancelled. 8 parts 2 parts అన్నప్పుడు PP క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుందా లేదా? అప్పుడు ఇండివిజువల్ స్పీడ్స్ వస్తాయా? రావు కదా. ఇండివిజువల్ స్పీడ్స్ రావట్లేదంటే ఆటోమేటికలీ డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్, అప్ స్ట్రీమ్ స్పీడ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ గెటింగ్. మీన్స్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ స్పీడ్ వాల్యూ అండ్ ఆల్సో time value. We know the time but we don't know the speed value. Then answer cannot be determined. Next question number 10. In triangle PQR, QR is produced to which one? Yes, PR equal to RS and if angle QPS equal to 113 degrees. First of all, triangle PQR, QR is produced to which one? S and PR equal to which one? RS. PR equal to RS means here angle and here angle are same or different? Same. Suppose we are join the PS line or we are join the PS line means here P angle and here S angle both are in equal or different? Equal. And one more angle QPS equal to how much? 113 degrees. QPS means this total value is how much? 113. Total value 113. Only one angle 113. One angle of both angles sum. Both angles sum is how much? 113. And angle PRQ is how much? 68. PRQ means it is how many degrees? 68. And one more, here R is a straight line angular. What is the R total value? 180. In that 68 complete, what is the remaining? 112 or not? Okay. If it is 112 in triangle PRS, sum of the three angles 180. Already 112. Those two angles sum 68. But those two angles are equal angles or different angles? Equal angles. Means this is 34. It is also 34 or not? Okay. And already we know the PQS value is how much? 113. In that 113 already one is 34 or not? What is the remaining? 79. 9, it is 79 degrees. What is the p value here? 34, but total p value 113. In that 34 complete means remaining 79. What is the question here? Angle PQR means required q value 79 plus 68, 147. What is the remaining? 33. Next question number 11. Anil invested 3,600 in simple interest at 21% per annum and for x years, and Akhil invested 3,200 in simple interest at x plus 3% per annum for 3 years. If Anil received the interest is 3012 more than the interest received by Akhil, then find the value of x. What is the first person here? Anil. What is the Anil principal? 3,600. Rate of person 21%. Time period x years. Then I return 21% into x of which value? 3,600. It is interest of Anil. Next, what is the Akhil principal value? 3,200. Rate of person x plus 3. Time period 3 years. Means interest value 3 into x plus 3%. X plus 3% of which value? 3,600. 3,200. 3,200. It is which one? Akhil interest. But here Anil interest compared to Akhil interest, how many rupees are more? 3012 more. Means difference between these two values equal to how many rupees? 3012. Simplify this one. We are get the x value. First, both sides 3 how many times? 7. 3 ones are 3 how many times? 1 0 0 4. Again both sides 4 multiples are 4 how many times? 900. 4 how many times? 800. 4 how many times? 2 5 1. Next, left hand side percentage 2 zeros cancel, percentage 2 zeros are cancelled. What is the remaining value in left hand side? 7 into x into 9, how much? 63x. Next, x plus 3 into 8 minus 8x minus 24 equal to how much? 251. 63 and 8 difference is 55x. 24 plus 251, 275. 55 how many times? 5 times. X equal to how much? 5. Next question number 12. Average weight of 7 students in the class is how much? 48 kgs, and the average weight is increased by 6 kgs when 3 new students are joined the class. Then find the average weight of the new students of the class. Initially how many students? 7 students. What is the average? 48. Again how many students are joined? 3 students. We don't know the 3 students average, but after adding 3 students, the average increased by 6 kgs or increased to 6 kgs? Increased by 6 kgs. Already average 48. Increased by 6 means new average 54. By using allegation, compared to mean value, one is already lesser, another one must be more. Means answer must be more than 54 or less than 54? More than 54. What is the difference between 54 and 48? 6. Right hand side 3 parts. 3 becomes 6 means double or triple? Double. Right hand side double means left hand side also double. 7 double how much? 14. If it is 14, question mark value 68. Next question number 13. The ratio of the two numbers is how much? 2:3. If 4 is added to the first number and 6 is added to the 6 is subtracted from the second number, the ratio becomes how much? 8:9. Find the third proportional of the given two numbers. Third proportional, A:B is proportion of B:C. What is the third proportion concept? A:B is proportion of B:C. We required which one? Third proportion. Means C value are required. What is the middle terms product? B square. What is the extreme ends product? AC. AC equal to B square means C equal to B square by A. Means we required this value. And here second number is how many parts? 3 parts. First number 2 parts. 3 parts square means it is 9 parts square. First number is how many parts? 2 parts. We are get the 9 parts by 2 or only 9? 9 parts by 2 or means third proportion of given numbers must be which one multiple? 9 multiple. First option is 9 multiple. Yes. Second option? No. Third option? No. Fourth one? No. Then answer first one. Or first number is how many parts? 2 parts. Second number 3 parts. First number is add, how much value are added? 4 is added. Second number 6 is subtracting. After subtracting we are get the ratio 8:9. Simplify this one, we are get the 1 part value. Okay. 9 2 the how much? 18. 8 3 the 24. 18 and 24 difference 6. 9 4 the 36. 8 6 the 48. Total it is 84. 6 parts 84. What is the 1 part? 14. Then answer 9 into 14 divide by 2 or 2 how many times? 7 times. 9 7 the 63. Question number 14. A man ordered 15 books and some pens. The price of a pen is twice the price of a book. While preparing the bill, the clerk interchanged the number of books and pens by mistake, which is increased the bill by 14.2 by 7%. What is the ratio of the number of books to the number of pens in the original order? Suppose originally books. How many books are purchased? 15 books are. Next, originally pens are X pens are. Originally how many books are purchased? 15. How many pens are purchased? X. What is the each one book price? Suppose each book price, pen price will be twice the which one? Book price or pen price will be double the book price. Suppose the book price I consider 10 rupees. Each one 10 rupees. Next, pen price 20 rupees or irrespective of 10 comma 20. A values తీసుకున్నా we are get the same answers. Okay. Book price is 10 rupees. Pen price is 20 rupees or first. Original bill amount. First we need to identify the original bill amount. How many books are purchased? 15. Every book 10. Total amount 150 plus how many pens are purchased? X. Each one 20. Amount 20x. It is original bill amount. What is the new bill amount? What is the condition? Preparing the bill, the clerk interchanges the number of books and pens by mistake. Interchange the articles. Okay. Means books, how many books? X. Pens 15. Means X into 10, 15 into 20. X 15 into 20, 300. X into 10, 10x. That is equal to new bill amount. Numerator original bill amount. Denominator new bill amount. Yes or no? Next, but which is increased by the bill amount is how much? 14.2 by 7%. What is the fraction? 1 by 7. What is the meaning? Out of 7 parts, how many parts are increased? 1 part. Means original bill amount are 7 parts. New bill amount 8 parts are. Okay. Numerator 0, denominator zeros cancel in left hand side. Any other cancellations? No. Just cross multiplication. 8 into 15, 120. 7 into 30, 210. Difference 90. 120, 210 difference 90. Again 7 into x, 7x. 8 to the 16x. Difference is 9x. 9 how many times? 10 times or x value 10. What is the question here? Ratio of the number of books to the number of pens in the original order. Books is how many books? 15 books or how many pens? 10 pens or what is the answer? 3:2 or 3:2 or 2:3? 3:2. Next question number 15. 144 units of the product Q were sold by the company. Then how many units of product S and T together were sold by the company? What is the Q value? 72 degrees. But here how many units? 144. Double or triple? Double. Means S and T also double or triple? Double. What is the S value? 70. T value 75. Together 145. Double means 290. Next question number 16. The price of a rice is increased by how much? 20%. Therefore, a family reduced its consumption by some percent, such that increase in expenditure is only by 15%. Increase is only 15%. If the consumption of rice was only 6 kgs before the increment. Before the increment, consumption was how many kgs? 6 kgs. What is the question here? Then what is the consumption at present? Okay. What is the formula normally written? Price into consumption equal to which one? Expenditure. Means expenditure is depends on how many parameters? 2 parameters. Then we are apply the successive increased concept of 2 operations or only 1 operation? 2 operations are. Suppose original expenditure I consider 100%. Original expenditure 100%. Price is increased by how much? 20%. Price 20% increased. What is the new price? 120. Okay. And one more. Family is reduced its consumption by some percent. After some percent consumption are reduced, finally the expenditure is increased by how much? 15%. 15% means final expenditure is 115%. Normal ga price consumption matladi overall expenditure adutadu, but here price is given, expenditure are given. We required which one? Consumption. Okay. Before decreased how much? 120. After decreased 115. How much value are decreased? 5. 5 upon which one? 120. Okay. What is the fraction? 1/24. Decreased or increased? Decreased. What is the meaning? Before how many parts? 24 parts. In that how many parts are decreased? 1 part. Before decreased how many parts? 24 parts. In that how many parts are decreased? 1 part. Means present is how many parts? 23 parts. In place of 24 parts, how many kgs are given? 6 kgs. But we require how many parts? 23 parts. Yes or no? Before decreased how many parts? 24. After decreased 23 parts. Okay. 24 and 6 relation 1/4. What is the relation of 23? 1/4 of 24. 23. 5.75. Or directly we written 23/24 of how many kgs? 6 kgs. 6 how many times? 4 times. 23/4. 5.75. Next 17th. What is the formula? Square root of a, square root of a, square root of a, square root of a, so on n times. So on n times. We return. What is the answer we return? A power 2 power n minus 1/2 power n. A, what is the power value? 2 power n minus 1/2 power n. Here a means how much? 6. 2 means 2 power n. How many times we return? 6 times. Then I return 2 power 6 minus 1/2 power 6. Then 6 power 2 power 6 means 64. Minus 1 means 63. 63/64. Which option? First option. Direct formula. Next question number 18. అప్ టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ వాల్యూ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఫార్ములా కాదు, అప్పుడు స్క్వేర్ చేసి వాల్యూ రాస్తాం. అప్ టు ఇన్ఫినిటీ ఉంటే వాల్యూ మళ్ళీ చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 18. It is only applicable for n times. Any number are given. Square root of 3, 3, 3, 3. So on. Only 4 times are given. Then we return 3 power 2 power 4 minus 1 by 2 power 4. Okay. 2 power 4 means 81 minus 1 means 2 power 4 16 minus 1 means 15. 15 by 16. Next question number 18. Speed of the car on Tuesday is what percentage more or less than the speed of the car on Thursday? Speed of the car on Tuesday. What is the Tuesday distance value? 720. Tuesday time value 12. 720 by 12. 60. Next, car on Thursday. What is the car Thursday distance? 225. Speed value, time value 3 hours. 225 by 3 means 75 kilometer per hour. One is 60 kilometer per hour, another one 75 kilometer per hour. What is the ratio? 4:5 or? If 5 parts are 100%, 4 parts are 80% or how much percent or less? 20% less or? Next 19th. Can I skip the question? Next 20. Perimeter of a square field is equal to the perimeter of a rectangular field whose area is 12,800 meters square and length is equal to 8 meters more than the 3 times of its breadth. Find the area of the square field. Area of a square field means required a square. Then answer must be perfect square or perfect square. First option perfect square. No sir, అది 54 41 కాదు, 17,454. First option no. Second option no. Third option no. 17424. Yes, it is 132 square. Compared to 100, how much value are more? 32 more. 132 plus 32 164. Compared to 100, 32 more. 132 plus 32 164. What is the 32 square? 1024. Total it is 17424. Yes or no? Or already answer completed. 17,424. Perimeter of a square field means 4a. It is also equal to perimeter of a rectangle 2 of L plus B. What is the second point? Whose area? Whose area means rectangle area, means L into B equal to how much? 12,800 meter square. L into B equal to 12,800 meter square. And length is equal to 8 meters more than the which one? 3 times of its breadth. Suppose breadth value I return B. Then length is 8 more than the 3 times of breadth. Nothing but 3B plus 8. Okay. Left hand side L into B,